Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into ExxonMobil's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss ExxonMobil's latest performance, especially given the current market dynamics.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ExxonMobil reported earnings of $7.7 billion for the first quarter of 2025, with cash flow from operations reaching $13.0 billion. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
ExxonMobil's earnings are slightly down from the $8.2 billion reported in the same quarter last year, but they have maintained strong cash flow. The company distributed $9.1 billion to shareholders, including $4.3 billion in dividends, which underscores their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
And what about their earnings per share?
The earnings per share came in at $1.76, which is slightly above the forecasted $1.74 by analysts. This indicates a solid performance despite some challenges in the market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. ExxonMobil has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their cost-saving measures and future outlook?
Absolutely. ExxonMobil achieved $12.7 billion in cumulative structural cost savings since 2019, with an additional $0.6 billion saved this quarter. Their free cash flow was robust at $8.8 billion, and they repaid $4.6 billion in debt, maintaining a strong balance sheet. Looking ahead, they declared a second quarter dividend of 99 cents per share, reflecting confidence in their financial stability.
What does this mean for their strategic initiatives?
ExxonMobil is well positioned to continue its strategic initiatives, including starting up 10 advantage projects expected to generate significant earnings by 2026. Their focus on cost management and strategic growth projects is likely to drive future performance.
Segment performance analysis. Let's break down the performance by segment. How did ExxonMobil's different business units perform this quarter?
The upstream segment reported earnings of $6.8 billion, driven by volume growth in the Permian and Guyana. Energy products earned $827 million, impacted by weaker refining margins but offset by cost savings. Chemical products saw earnings of $273 million, while specialty products delivered $655 million, despite higher expenses from new market developments.
It seems like each segment faced unique challenges. How is ExxonMobil addressing these?
ExxonMobil is leveraging its diversified portfolio to mitigate risks. They are focusing on high-value products and operational efficiencies to navigate market challenges, ensuring resilience across all segments.
CEO insights and strategic vision. ExxonMobil's CEO, Darren Woods, made some insightful comments about the company's strategic direction. Can you share more about his vision?
Certainly. CEO Darren Woods emphasized that ExxonMobil is built to excel in uncertain markets. The strategic choices made since 2019 have strengthened their earnings power by about $4 billion. They are starting up 10 advantage projects expected to generate over $3 billion in earnings by 2026, with plans extending through 2030 and beyond.
How does this strategic vision align with their current performance?
The strategic vision aligns well with their current performance, as evidenced by their strong cash flow and shareholder returns. ExxonMobil's focus on operational excellence and strategic growth projects positions them for long-term success.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, let's summarize ExxonMobil's performance this quarter. John, what are the key takeaways for investors?
ExxonMobil delivered strong earnings of $7.7 billion and an EPS of 1.6, slightly beating the forecast. Their cash flow from operations was impressive at $13 billion, and they distributed $9.1 billion to shareholders. These results highlight their operational strength and commitment to shareholder value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ExxonMobil's performance in the comments below.